Alright, let's go back into the workshop. I'm going to show you how to turn this radio off first. Hang on. YouTube don't like us having music in the background. And this is a big AdBlue tank here that I bought at auction. So it's a nice thing, properly inside, got all the pumps and everything inside, proper nice thing. And I made the mistake when I bought it, I didn't see that it had a very small crack there. And Ken has done an absolutely amazing job with some fiberglass and actually repaired it. Now, you wouldn't know it's been done. We will be honest when we advertise it. We will be honest and tell people that it's had a small repair there. But it's got a tank inside it, so it's not detrimental to it, but we will be honest. But he's done a good job. Proper job there. Proper job. Maybe I'm singing his praises too highly, but so everyone wants a big AdBlue tank, by the way. 2,000 litre AdBlue tank. With all the pumps and everything else in it. It's there. And it's had a very small repair. So he's done a good job there. All these things we're getting done. How are we doing, Ken? Are you happy today? Have you got an exciting weekend planned in Lincolnshire?
No, shopping.
Shopping?
Yeah, shopping.
Food shopping?
Food shopping.
Food shopping.
Next weekend will be better.
Oh, where you going? Is it someone else you want to share it? Oh, but I know.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. Yeah, we'll keep that. We'll keep that quiet. That's cool. Right, onwards. Oh, we've been a bit trusting in Daniel with a nicely painted tank. Smile. That's a good cop out, isn't it? Welcome back to GCS Machinery again. How's your week been this week? It's Saturday morning now, and we've had I've had quite a stressful week. No, it's just awful week really. Various different government bodies trying to get a property deal put to bed. And for those that know are buying and selling property, it's becoming far, far, far more stressful than it ever used to be. 5 months now this deal's been on the go. To the point that I would happily walk away from it and not be involved in it. It's just got that bad and that stressful. And solicitors, I'm not turning this video into a rant because I'm not going to do that today. It's Saturday, I'm not going to do that today. But solicitors are a law unto themselves, I tell you. Absolute law unto themselves. And if you buy and sell property, whatever, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's challenging. Anyway, right, what's going on? We had a customer in the yard this morning. In fact, first we'll go back a bit. I've just popped out to the local cafe to buy some food for the people at work. That's a good thing to do. I was waiting for that to be cooked, so I thought I'd do a quick video while I'm here. Customers in the yard today buying stuff, which has been good. One guy in particular, you know who you are, you're very inspirational, and thank you for your uplifting support this morning. So thank you very much for that. You know who you are. Thank you. And yeah, so we're now getting on machinery ready. I think Michelle's going on the jet wash, so she tells me. Daniel has even cleaned the tea room and the toilets this morning. So that's a positive step. That's good. So it's all good. So right, I'm going to get the food and I'm going to head back to the yard. I feel that I need to share this with our YouTube viewers, but we have a clean tea room. Yeah, I know, we've got to tell you because I watch. I'm going to put YouTube on in a minute. Yeah. Look, there's proof. There's the mop and bucket. Obviously, Dan will be putting that away shortly with the floor dryers. But look, it's clean. What's even quite comical as well, that Dan's actually made a point of marking it on the sheet that he's actually done it. So well done, Daniel. That's a good. But now you know how to do it. In future,
it's your turn.
I don't use it very often. I only come here on Saturdays when I go to the cafe and buy you food and drink. Yes. We don't watch Chelsea, do we? No. Look, it's all been cleaned over here as well. So the good point is, there's a good point to this as well. Daniel's mum. If you're watching, Here's proof that he knows how to do it all. Just saying. We've just learnt another very stressful experience here at GCS. And I thought properties were stressful. I thought solicitors are stressful. But setting up a new iPhone, I think, is almost as good as it can get. So I now have a new iPhone. Apparently my SE was out the arc and they keep telling me it's way behind the times. So we've now got a new one. An iPhone 15 apparently. But getting all the info from one phone to the other wasn't as easy as it meant to be. But then I'm not very good at technical things. So luckily we have Michelle, and in there somewhere is Daniel. On Saturday afternoon was doing that. So Michelle is on steam cleaner today. So Michelle has been steam cleaning the underside of the shrine. Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look, now she's going to do the sides, we've got to do the inside, but doesn't that look good? She's done an awesome job there. Really has done an awesome job there. Quite well on this trailer actually, where the mud on the wheels is taking the paint off behind the wheels there, so we'll get that repainted in. But she's done a really fantastic job there. Drawbar to be painted as usual. Now we're going to start on the Daniel, can you go up? That's just jammed in there. Okay, it survived. That would have come out of his pocket money, wouldn't it? That survived due to my quick thinking. I'm not sure whether there's a dangerous thing coming along here with the, well, Michelle's got the, Do you think I dare say that she's missed a bit? What do you think? Do you think I dare say that you've missed a bit?
I need it reversing.
For those watching, earlier on, Michelle made a big fuss that it had to be brought forward. Now she's doing it, now it needs it reversing.
Just do it.
She wouldn't dare. No, she would actually, yeah. I'll reverse it. Thank you very much for that. I shall reverse it up for you. It's just a clearer picture. A better sound. I don't know, but this new phone, but apparently it's got 3 camera bits on the back. Michelle just said she thinks I've got a better phone now than Joe Seals. So, we shall see. For all those people, no, rephrase that. Ken, who always jokes that he never puts things away, here's evidence that he's putting some jacks away today. Here's evidence. So what have we been doing in the yard today? We've been, this telehound that came back yesterday, we have been preparing to go on the next hire, so we'll be going around and do all the checks on it, all the hubs, things like that. I think the filter was changed not very long ago actually, but we'll probably do that again anyway. This one's just had new tyres on it. Bibbo tyres, which are really cool, really good. And then next week we're going to go around and do the usual painting. Let me go see on there, paint's come off there. On there, so that's part of Monday's task of getting this all sorted. And ready for hire. What year is this one? This is a what year is this one? 2023 machine. So it's still not good that the paint's come off that quick, but we'll go through it all, give it a thorough grease up, and Daniel's actually quite impressed with this one because he's actually got a grease bank here with 4 grease nipples on it, and makes life a lot easier. So we've been doing that. We've been getting some tractor bits ready. Michelle's on the wash there, doing some trailers, and what else have we been doing today, Daniel? Not a lot.
Clean the toilet.
Sorry?
Clean the toilet.
Oh yeah, yeah. You clean the toilet, yeah. Daniel's not going to let us live it. Not going to let it. Not. You're not going to let us live that one down, are you? That you clean the toilet and the tea room. No, that's cool. Yeah. You have to see what the comments' views on that are. Let them put it in the box below. Yeah. But at least your mum knows now that.
No, she doesn't need to watch this one.
She mustn't watch this one.
No, we're not going to watch this.
So you see a good job I don't send it to her.
Yes.
Okay, I won't send it to her as a link. I wouldn't dream of doing that, Daniel. I'm right. Anyway, what are you doing this weekend then, Daniel?
I don't know.
He doesn't know.
No, lazy weekend.
A lazy weekend, what's left of it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So Daniel's got a spaniel dog, haven't you?
Daniel's got a spaniel, yes.
Yes. And Ken always jokes about you and Daniel with the spaniel, doesn't he?
Yes.
So, do you realise this was the longest talking bit you've done on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm ready to put Jack away now.
Right, have a great weekend. Daniel just pointed out that I could be in the wrong calling these Biblo tyres, because they're not actually Biblo. Biblo's a brand of tyre, I believe. But our block tyres are very similar to the Biblo brand. So just what I'd, before I get told off for doing that. But they do last an awful lot longer than the Tractor Ted tyres. So there we go, yes. Needs to be politically correct these days, or someone on YouTube will pull me up on that. So there we go. Thank you for watching this video. For those people watching this, it will be on Sunday morning, hopefully when it goes out. We are going to do a live on Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. So if anybody wants to ask any questions, nice ones, be kind, okay? Be kind. I have had a hell of a week, okay? So be kind. Anyone wants to ask any questions, have a chat, whatever, anything you want to do, come say hello. So 7 o'clock on Sunday the 16th, we're going to do a live. So just for about half an hour, whatever, as long as people come and have a look for. So please do. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. I just realised you've got our Christmas sleigh up there in the background. They go in the back of a tractor for the Christmas lights. Anyway, right. Thank you for watching the video. Please click and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.